girl asked her what she wanted to be when she grew up, and she said she wanted to help people. And then she asked the little girl what she wanted to be when she grew up, and she was 4, and she said, "Ow!"
Saw Lauren audition, like in the round before the TV auditions. There's the producer auditions where you like get in a tent and stuff. And I remember I like saw her and I was like, oh my god, that girl is literally so beautiful. And then like you went and you like sang, and I heard you from the booth singing, and I was like, damn it, she's good too. I was like, she's definitely gonna make it. What am I doing here? Yeah. And then you came outside and I was like, I like your shirt, and you were like, thanks. Wait, what? I did that. Yeah, you did. You're like, hi, I like your shirt. I was like, thanks. I like your jacket.
Oh, it's so cute. And now you can swap them. So you can wear each other's stuff. It's worked out really well.
Is if you could feel my heartbeat now, and you melt down your body. Heartbeat now. But you gotta kind of melt, like really feel it. You see how Lauren's sinking into it? Yes. She is living over there.
Okay. Her heartbeat is melting.
Oh my god, I can't do that high. But we can do the chorus. Yeah. Okay, so let's vamos a amarnos. I remember that. Vamos a amarnos y bailar hasta quemarnos al sol. It's been a while. Voy a desafiarte a que bailes conmigo hoy. No esperes más, no. Perdido en tu mirada, líbrate de tus brazos hechizada. Voy a desafiarte a que bailes conmigo hoy.
So, Cabello, Haregi wants to know, do you guys ever share clothes? Do you guys ever still?
No. Dinah, one time, she lent me her shirt for a meet and greet. Very nice girl.
We've lent clothes in an emergency stitch.
Okay.
But most of the,
You've done that for me too.
Yeah, for the most part. And I know that this is a thing because we show up in a lot of the same stuff online. It's merch.
What? That works. Another fan question wants to know, when they do their meet and greets, are they allowed?
Vamos a amarnos y bailar hasta quemarnos al sol. Nada va a impedir que gane tu amor. Yo voy a desafiarte a que bailes conmigo.
Who are your celebrity crushes?
Chris Brown.
Shut up. No, Chris Brown.
They fight over
Chris Brown.
Okay, I'm gonna say
a lot now too. He's pretty.
I'm gonna say Rachel McAdams and Chris Hemsworth.
Oh, yes, definitely.
And Chase Crawford.
There you go.
Oh my god.
And there are so many more of
Yeah.
them.
Zac Efron.
Hallelujah. Zac Efron.
No, Chase Crawford. They look the same, but
Oh yeah.
yeah.
Is that from Gossip?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I know.
Oh, that
Nate.
is my girl crush. What's yours?
She's
my girl crush.
Mine's
Mine's
yours.
Lauren.
Aww.
I have.
Oh, that's cool.
Isn't that awesome? Dragonfly.
I'ma buy a new Celine. Let her ride in the forest with me. Oh, she the bank. I'm her boo. And she down to break the rules. Slide it down, she gon' go. I'm a judge, she finesse. I fight one, she take that. Pulling on.
From the Super Bowl.
That was Camila. That one.
Is out of everyone in their group, who do you feel like you know the best?
Who I know the best?
Yeah.
It's all pretty mutual. It's all pretty much the same. I feel like I can relate to some of them on certain days. So there's days where I'm just like, I can be attached to Lauren, or there's days I can be like with Monty or Camila or Ali. But it differs all the time. I feel like personally, I'm closer to either Mila or Lauren. There's days, yeah.
You guys kind of overcome it, and it's like you know that you shouldn't be together, but you want to be together and you want to make it work.
Probably Monty or Daphne.
Wow, great choice.
I go with the same, yeah.
Oh, thanks. I guess I'm gonna choose someone else than myself.
Be myself.
Monty or Lauren. Damn, I must be hot. You're just a little bit. Don't get into the head. I would probably. Dang, I'm taking myself out of the equation. Yeah. So I'd probably date. Dang, this is weird. Probably Lauren.
Well, I guess I have no choice.
No, it's me. My joke is the answer.
Yeah!
Okay, we have one final.
We know that the Harmonizers and us have waited a really, really long time for our first debut album. We love you guys so much. Do you know that?
Good. Hey, sir. Look at this. Look at how he waits for me.
Good.
I'm sitting pretty impatient, but I know you gotta put in them hours. I'ma make it harder. I'm sending pick after picture, I'll get you fired. I know you're always on that night shift, but I can't. And I don't need no explanation, 'cause baby.
McDonald's, just go get the album. It's the same price and it's better for you.
My name is Harry.
Harmony, you guys rock tonight.
Hear the Hallelujah chorus.
Listen.
No, a cactus.
Wait, hold on. Why is the cactus your favorite?
She looks like those ancient statues that are really kind of off. I'm a terrible drawer.
And I drank it and I threw it up in front of my crush. On all levels.
Mine is a screenshot of Nicolas Cage.
Okay.
I'm serious.
I'm always on Snap.
Chicos atractivos.
Mother Teresa's a very, very good one.
Absolutely not. I am Team Camren.
Bitch, me